Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Enshlie if you're new here. In today's video, I'm doing a fall makeup tutorial. I was originally going to do a natural look, but then it turned into this. So I hope you guys do enjoy this fall makeup tutorial. And I'm using some new products like the Huda Beauty Tan Tour, the Fenty Beauty Foundation. I'm gonna give you a full Fenty Beauty new hydrating foundation. So make sure you stay tuned and keep watching so you guys can see how the foundation worked against my acne. If you're not a part of the Unicorn fam, what are you waiting for? We celebrate everything here. Once you hit the subscribe button down below, make sure you turn on your bell notification button down there so you get notified every time that I post. Otherwise, YouTube may not tell you when I post. Give this video a thumbs up as well if you guys like the review, and let me know which side you liked better. Alright, I'm gonna stop talking. We're gonna roll right into this video. Hi unicorns. So in today's video I want to do kind of like a fall look. I'm gonna be using some new products in this video, so I'm super excited to show you guys what I got. But to start off, I'm gonna do my eyes. Of course, I already did my brows. I used my Benefit Precisely my brow pencil, and later on I'm gonna go in with the 24-hour brow setter. But for now, I'm gonna be using the Warrior 2 palette by Juvias Place, and I really wanted to go in with this color right here. And I'm just doing like windshield, what is it called? The windshield wiper motion. Just going back and forth really. I'm just trying to get that color in there. Like I said, we're not doing anything too crazy today. It's just a light fall summer look. Alright, so I think that's about perfect. And now I want to go in with a slightly darker shade. So I'm going to be using this one right here. So I kind of want to do like a smoky situation, so I'm going to go in with this color right here. This is definitely giving me like a pumpkin spice latte vibes. I said light and I went in again, and I'm literally fired from doing light looks because I don't know how to do them. And I'm basically just using a flat brush, and I'm kind of just using it on my lid space, not necessarily on my crease, but just like right here in the lid space that's empty. I'm gonna go in with this brown right here, and I'm just gonna put this like right up here in the outer corner. And then I always go in with the first brush that I use to blend out, and I grab a little bit of that same color just to blend everything in place. I really wanted to do a natural look, but you know, it always turns into something else. I think that looks pretty good, so I'm gonna go in with my mascara, and I'm just using my Mercier Big Mascara by Lancome. Okay guys, so I just put on some lashes. These are Saucy Lashes in Shortcake. And then I'm going to go ahead and move on to some new products that I'm very excited to show you guys. So I picked up the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter. This is a hydrating foundation, and I'm so excited to try it out just because my face is a lot drier than usual nowadays because of my acne. I used to have really oily skin though. So we're going to do a As Rocio Se Jesus acne versus foundation. This is basically what the bottle looks like. I got mine in the shade 180. And I like that it has a cute little pump. I'm going to put on the foundation on one side with my beauty blender and the other side with a brush. I usually use my Artis brush and my Shayna B beauty blender, so those are the two that I'll be using today. I hope this is full coverage enough to cover up my acne. So I'm going to go ahead, and this might take a minute. Okay, so I guess one pump is very tiny. Yeah, so I put 2 pumps in there because the pump is actually very small, like the amount that it spurts out. I don't put on any primer, if that's what you were thinking. I put on moisturizer earlier, so that's the only thing I use to prime my face. Primers clog my skin completely, so I don't really like to use them. Okay, so first impression is I really like how it feels. It feels like the original one, actually. And it kind of smells like Play-Doh tea. I know this oxidizes, so I got it in the shade that my other one comes in. I will say that covered up pretty well. Like, you guys can still obviously see my acne, but it is definitely covered with one pump, and it feels very, very light. I actually used 2 pumps, my bad. I used 2 pumps. And now I'm gonna go ahead and try the same technique on the other side with a beauty blender. I remember when I used the other Fenty foundation, I didn't like it with a beauty blender. I really, really liked it with their brush. I actually have their brush. I don't know why I didn't use it for this video, but I'm sorry. First impression with a beauty blender, I will definitely say that it did cover more with the beauty blender than it did with the brush. So if you're trying out this foundation, I highly recommend it with a beauty blender versus the brush. Also, if you have more like dry skin, I recommend using a beauty blender anyways, just because the beauty blender has that water, so it's giving you that hydration, that extra bit of hydration that's really good for your skin. I'm gonna go ahead with my concealer and spot conceal some of my acne. And I'm gonna use a brush to blend that out. This is a brush that I use for my brows. It's better this way because then you don't remove all the product. You kind of just tap it and then blend it, feather it out however you'd like. My skin definitely looks nicer with the beauty blender than with the brush when I look at it from a close-up mirror. With the brush, I feel like it leaves too many streaks and it just looks a bit messy if you ask me, which that usually happens, to me at least, with dewy foundations. So I don't know about you guys, but that's usually a thing for me. I'm going to be going in with my concealer a little bit later, but I'm so excited to show you guys this. So excited for everything, really. Where's that bag? So I went out and bought the Huda Beauty Light Tan Tour. I am so excited to try this out. It just looks something like this. Wait, my bad. So it says tan and tone on that. I'm gonna go in with a light small brush. I don't know how this wears, so let's just see how it goes. So I'm gonna start over here. I am gonna say off the bat, I love the color of this just because it is like an orangey type of contour, and I hate when they're like cool toned. I think it makes you look just dead, which is totally in the season, but no, that is not the look that we're going for. So for my nose, I'm gonna use this double-ended brush by Tarte. That's the one that I use for the contouring, and now I'm just gonna clean this up right here. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and put my concealer on, and I'm putting this underneath my eyes. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender and I'm gonna blend that out. I feel like officially like one of those Instagrammers. I always see them doing this and baking and stuff, but I don't know, it just never happens to me like that. So I do want to blend all of my concealer first before I go in with the same beauty blender to blend out my contour, because you don't want all of that darkness messing up everything else. Okay, what? That blended out so good. I am shooketh. I kind of want to blend it out with a brush now. So I'm gonna continue doing this on this side, and then I'm gonna finish off the other side with my beauty blender. I just really got curious as to how it would look, but it blends out so nice with both of them. I'll give you my final thoughts in like 1 second, but just give me a second to blend this all out. So you guys tell me down below in the comments which side you think looks nicer. I personally like how it looks with the beauty blender once again. I just feel like you can actually still see how I shaped it, which is not exactly what I was going for. So that I didn't really like, but I do like how it looks with the beauty blender. That's my final review on that. I finally picked up my favorite powder. This is a Laura Mercier powder, and this is what I used to use back in the days all the time, and it just got a little bit too pricey for me, so I stopped buying it. I just got it now again though because Sephora had a sale, and I just needed a powder. I ran out of my RCMA, and I love that one, but I feel like it's a little bit too dry, and this one is just the perfect touch. Oh my god, I'm so excited to use this after years of not using it. In honor of me buying this powder again, we're going to bake. Laura Mercier has like some really good things. I can't believe I stopped using this powder. Like, I'm actually mad about it. It's crazy, I don't know. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. Just blending this out very quickly. My camera is dying the battery, so I'm so sorry if this jumps, but I'm gonna do my bronzer right after. I'm using my Huda bronzer in order to do that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm using my Huda bronzer right here. I'm just using my Sigma blush. I'm gonna go back to my Burt's Bees soon, just because it's fall, you know, and I love to use a Burt's Bees one when it's fall. So if you don't see this part, I'm gonna go ahead and finish my under eyes and basically just contour a little bit more, like finish up my nose, and then I'll be back for my lipstick. Alright, now that I did that, I want to go ahead and do my lips. And I actually picked up some new stuff from ColourPop. And I got the Shayla Times ColourPop. This is a lip liner duo in So Down. And the packaging really reminds me of Kylie Cosmetics tea, okay? But it's literally the exact same. It just feels a little bit heavier, I guess. So I'm gonna start lining my lips. This lip liner is real dark. I wish I had the patience to do this like Orpha. Orpha is in Natalie. I don't know if you guys follow her. I'm gonna go ahead and do the lipstick. This is in an Ultra Satin, which is my favorite ColourPop formula. Things I don't like about this, it did bleed a little bit out over here. I'm gonna clean that up really quick. It's not like a big issue, but it's kind of annoying. But I think it is the perfect color for this look. So I am done with this look, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I always say it's gonna be a natural look, and then it ends up turning into something like this. But it is a fall makeup tutorial, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in my next video right after you subscribe to my channel right now and hit the bell notification button. We do have a giveaway coming up very soon. I'm trying to get some more stuff for you guys. That way it's like a huge, really cool, nice giveaway. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video, which will appear right here.